Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss exclusively hard model questions. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. First question. An isolate of Staph aureus was cultured from an ulcer obtained from the leg of a diabetic 79-year-old female patient. The organism showed resistance to methicillin. Additionally, this isolate should be tested for resistance or susceptibility to gentamicin, erythromycin, vancomycin, kanamycin. Right answer is option C, vancomycin. Usually MRSA isolates are tested for susceptibility or resistance to vancomycin. Next question. Clues are seen on a smear of vaginal discharge obtained from an 18-year-old female emergency room patient. This finding, along with a fishy odor after the addition of 10% KOH, suggests bacterial vaginosis caused by which organism? Staph epidermidis, Streptococcus agalactiae, Gardnerella vaginalis, Escherichia coli. Right answer is option C, Gardnerella vaginalis. It is a gram-negative or gram-variable pleomorphic coccobacillus causes bacterial vaginosis, but it is also present as a part of the normal vaginal flora of women of reproductive age with a normal vaginal examination. Clue cells are vaginal epithelial cells with gram-negative or gram-variable coccobacilli attached to them. Here the right answer is option C, Gardnerella vaginalis. Next question. Which of the following structures is invaded by the genus Trichophyton? Hair, nails, skin, all. Right answer is option D, all. Next question. Which microfilaria are usually not found circulating in the peripheral blood? Brugia malai, Wuchereria bancrofti, Onchocerca volvulus, Lova lova. Right answer is option C, Onchocerca volvulus. The microfilaria of Onchocerca volvulus are normally found in the fluid right under the outer layer of skin. Therefore, the skin snips is a proper specimen to examine. Next question. A 45-year-old hunter developed fever, myalgia and periorbital edema. He has a history of bear meat consumption. The most likely causative agent is Toxoplasma gondii, Tinea solium, Hymenopilus nana, Trichinella spiralis. Here the right answer is option D, Trichinella spiralis. Bear meat is another excellent source of Trichinella spiralis. In this case, the patient had evidently consumed poorly cooked bear meat, thus suggesting the ancestor larva of Trichinella spiralis. Next question. The mycelial form of Histoplasma capsulatum seen on agar resembles Cepedonium species, Penicillium species, Sporothrix species, Coccidioides species. Here the right answer is option A, Cepedonium species. Cepedonium species are saprophytic molds that do not have a yeast phase and produce large spherical tuberculate macroconuria like Histoplasma capsulatum. Histoplasmosis is a chronic granulomatous infection primarily found in the lungs that invade the reticuloendothelial system. Infection occurs via spores released from decaying bird or chicken droppings that are inhaled when disturbed. So here the right answer is option A. The mycelial form of Histoplasma capsulatum seen on agar resembles Cepedonium species. Next question. All of the following are examples of appropriate specimens for recovery of fungi except tissue biopsy, cerebrospinal fluid, aspirate of exudate, swab. Right answer is option D, swab. Specimens for fungal culture must be kept in a moist, sterile environment. Swabs that are dried out or submitted with insufficient material on them should be rejected. Generally, swabs are inadequate for the recovery of fungi because they are easily contaminated by surrounding skin flora. Here, right answer is option D, swab. Next question. How long should Mycobacterium tuberculosis positive cultures be kept by the laboratory after identification and antibiotic susceptibility testing have been performed? 1 to 2 months, 3 to 6 months, 7 to 8 months, 6 to 12 months. Right answer is option D, 6 to 12 months. Standard therapy using INH and rifampicin for classic uncomplicated pulmonary tuberculosis is 9 months. The patient may not respond to therapy even when the organism is susceptible to the antibiotics in vitro. Therefore, cultures must be kept for up to 1 year in order to facilitate testing of additional antibiotics should the infection become refractory to therapy. So, right answer is option D, 6 to 12 months. Next question. The gram-positive non-spore forming anaerobic rods most frequently recovered from blood cultures as a contaminant are Propionibacterium acnes, Clostridium perfringens, Staphylococcus intermedius, Veillonella parvula. Right answer is option A, Propionibacterium acnes. It is a non-spore former and is described as a diphtheroid-shaped rod. It is part of the normal skin, nasopharynx, genitourinary and gastrointestinal tract flora, but is implicated as an occasional cause of endocarditis. Here, right answer is option A, Propionibacterium acnes. Next question. Which Clostridium species is most often recovered from a wound infection with gas gangrene? Clostridium sporogens, Clostridium sodalii, Clostridium novi, Clostridium perfringens. Right answer is option D, Clostridium perfringens. Wound infected with the Clostridia are characterized by inversion and liquefactive necrosis of muscle tissue with gas formation. The most frequent isolate is Clostridium perfringens, followed by Clostridium novi and Clostridium septicum. Here right answer is option D, Clostridium perfringens.